Picture a sanctuary of elegance and opulence, a place you've crafted with meticulous attention to detail, a place you call home. Now, imagine leaving it unattended for days on end. In affluent neighborhoods, high-end homes face unique challenges, from targeted break-ins to unnoticed maintenance issues during prolonged vacancies. These silent threats can escalate quickly, leading to hefty repair costs, or worse, loss of precious personal belongings. But fear not, for there is a solution, a proactive approach with a home watch service. These professionals provide tailored security and maintenance solutions, ensuring your luxurious abode remains just as you left it. So, protect your investment and enjoy peace of mind, knowing your sanctuary is secure. To learn more about securing your sanctuary and to subscribe to our channel, Opulent Home Helpers, check the link in the description below. And don't forget, for more insights on how home watch services can benefit you, dive into our article, Insurance Matters, How Home Watch Services Can Lower Your Premiums. You'll find the link to the full article in the description below. Stay informed, stay secure, and remember, we're all about securing your sanctuary, keeping luxury homes safe and sound.